Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Time for another episode of Dying Towns. In this episode, we're taking a look at Emmitsburg, Maryland, right after this. Okay, I'm at the next town over now. It's about 5 miles from where we were. And this used to actually be a hardware store too. And they'd sell plants and landscaping supplies. You could buy a 2x4, just like the other place. But you can see this is pretty well gone. Well, it is gone. Okay, it was actually a pretty big building. But we're going to go down the road here. And for you that have been following the channel for a while, I talk about when I was growing up, my uncle's farm. Well, we're not too far from it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, take a look at that, and see what that looks like now. Now, believe it or not, this whole area used to be farms. And as you can see, you don't see many barns. Actually, you don't see no barns. Now, right over here is where the farm used to be. I'm not even sure what they're using it for now. But the house used to be yellow. And that fancy back door in the back, well, that was a patio. They really closed that in. But where that garage is, there used to be a barn right there. And right across the road, the driveway, used to be the barns, the outhouse, corn crib. There's really nothing left of it. And there was so much woods back there, you couldn't see the houses behind you. Over here used to be cattle. They don't even have that anymore. There's an old farm that nobody's even doing anything on. So with that said, what does a small town do when they start losing jobs? Well, you go to the next town over. And that's what I did. I went over to the next town. Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Dying Towns, Emmitsburg, Maryland. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.